Welcome to my world of poetry. Prince Hamdan fan. She doesn't know who is on their way. She walks alone beneath moon's light, a shadow dancing in the night, lost in thought. She can't say. She doesn't know who is on their way. She counts. She stars, but feels so small. Behind her smile, there is a silent God. She is kind. She gives, yet all astray. Each morning starts with faded grace. No flowers left in her vase. She prays, but words just drift away. Still, she doesn't know who's on their way. Her friends have lovers, some wear rings. She listens close, but silence sings. She hides her tears from break of days, unaware of who's on their way. But feet walk road she cannot see. It moves like wind, so wild and free. Through crowded streets, it finds a way to bring someone who will choose to stay. He rides not in a golden cart, but with the strength of royal heart, a soul with honor left to pay. Yes, he is already on his way. He has watched her laughter from afar in quiet rooms beneath the star. He sees the courage in her survey, the quiet queen he will make one day. She helps the sick, she teaches poor, she closes bonds that others ignore. She heals, she mends, come what may. Yet still, she knows not who's on their way. She thought love lost to hide the cost. In all the gave, she found what's lost. But destiny does not delay. It softly whispers, he is on his way. He's not a boy who plays with hearts, but one whose soul is royal art. With poetry is what he will say. Sheikh Hamdan walks her way today, not dressed in robes of prideful form, but in a heart that feels the same. She is not a prize, not his display. She is his prayer. Now, on his way, she sets the table just for one, not knowing soon to will become. He is closer now, not far away, but she still dreams it's not today. Her eyes have depth, her hands have grace. She paints hopes in every space. She knows her voice, though for his stay. Soon he will appear and the wait. She picks a book, she folds the sheet, she hums along, her world discreet. She lights the candle, she says, I will stay, while fate keeps moving on its way. He travels, miles not in the air, but through the patience of a prayer, a journey planned in heaven's way to meet the girls he will love and stay. The sun may shift, the moon may cry, but real love doesn't say goodbye. It wait, it walk, it find it day, and now the king is on his way. She checks her phone, no message yet. She's learned to hope and not regret. Still unaware, so calm, so brave. She doesn't know who's on their way. Perhaps a knock, a sudden call, a glance that breaks her every voice. The one who loves her deep will say, I am the man who found his way. Her lips may tremble, eyes go wide. As time stands, still no needs to hide. She will smile and tears her fears away. She finally knows who is on their way. He will means not just with wealth in hand, but poem that she will understand. Lines written not to just portray, but words that beg her heart to stay. He will whisper soft, I have seen your light shine even through your darkest night. Your love is real, not for display. That's why I had to find my way. No palace will can hold her grace, no diamond match her gentle face. But in his arms she will always stay. For now she knows who is on their way. Did this poem touch your heart? Please like, comments, and share. Thank you for watching my channel. Goodbye.